Welcome to Trade Like the Pros. My name is Dion Pouncil, and I am your mentor for creating wealth through trading. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to become a pro trader without risking your own money. So I help traders pass prop firm evaluation challenges so they can become consistently profitable without risking their own money. This program started on April 26th and 2024. And as of today, we have 53 funded traders for over $6.3 million. So, congratulations to everybody who has already joined, bettered themselves, and has already been funded. It is an amazing testament to betting on yourself and reaching your goals. So, if you are a trader looking for an incredible opportunity to level up your trading skills, and grow your wealth without risking your own money, I'm giving you the opportunity to access my Trade Like the Pros program, where you can one, work with me directly, two, immediately plug into my training vault, and three, leverage my 6 and 7 figure trading dream team as your own. I want to be clear. This is not about investing. Investing and trading are two completely different things. Investing is putting money into an opportunity and holding it there for at least 1 year or longer. Trading is putting money into an opportunity and holding it for any amount of time less than 1 year. So, what we are talking about here is trading. This is for people who are interested in making money on a daily basis. Quick side story. When I was growing up on the south side of Chicago, my family rarely ever talked about money. I didn't know how to use it, grow it, or protect it. I had to learn about money at 30 years old when I had the opportunity to work at a hedge fund. And before that time, honestly, my focus was on how do I make money today to pay my bills? I literally couldn't afford to put money away for a year and not touch it. So, if you want to trade to make money daily, if you want to then take those profits and design a lifestyle that you want to live, and then be prepared to use that money to put it to work for you, then you are in the right place. Let's be real. The trading world can be brutal, especially when you feel like you're out there on your own. You don't know if what you're doing is right or wrong. You don't know what parts of your trading are breaking down. You don't know if your strategy is any good. Or let's say you're brand new to the trading world and don't even understand what the words and concepts even mean. Or you're not making profits because you're hopelessly chasing these mythical chart patterns that don't even really exist, by the way, but more on that later. Or you want to trade using other people's money so you don't have to risk any of your own. There's a lot of layers to all of this. And I've been in the trenches for the last 6 years, figuring this stuff out day in and day out. After leaving that hedge fund in 2018, I went on to take and pass my Series 3 and become a professional futures trader, commodity pool operator, commodity trading advisor, and launching my own hedge fund, Pouncil Capital. Back in 2020, I wanted to start to teach everyday people what I learned and proved. And I did it with no previous experience, no college degree, and just betting on myself. So I wrote out a new program and assembled a dream team to do it. I had a goal to teach 1,000 people how to trade, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to reach that goal alone. So, in addition to myself, my wife, who has been trading since she was 16, has her master's in finance, and was a licensed wealth manager for one of the largest investment banks on Wall Street, we created the program. We hired a quantitative developer, Jay, and launched the program. With my own experience and my dream team assembled, I was quietly confident of hitting that 1,000 student goal. Now, that didn't instantly make things easy. We knew it would still be a journey with many twists and turns along the way. But armed with our proven experience, an easy to understand course, and weekly coaching calls for the students, we tackled each day with a quiet confidence that helping 1,000 students was inevitable if we focused on doing the work. Teaching proven, data driven strategies that anyone can learn, helping people take back control of their time, showing step by step how to create wealth through trading for less than 2 hours a day. With focus and dedication, we did it. We helped 1,000 people in just 6 months of launching that program. We created a tribe, a movement, and a family. We inspired countless success stories. We help people from all corners of the globe live life on their terms. Above all else, we created a legacy. If this sounds like something you'd like to be a part of, and you're prepared to do what it takes to make it happen, listen up. On May 1st of 2024, I launched Trade Like the Pros to specifically teach people how to one, learn to trade futures. Number two, learn professional trading strategies and how to use the computer to do 90% of the work. And number three, learn how to pass prop firm evaluations from $25,000 to $300,000 so you can trade with that money and not risk any of your own. As of today, 76 people have joined the program. 53 of them have been funded for over $6.3 million. When I look back at the time from helping the first 1,000 people to crossing over this recent $6 million milestone with the Trade Like the Pros program, there's three things that stand out to me. Number one, the foundation is everything. Learning the financial terms and concepts so you can actually understand what is going on is critical to success. If you don't even know what the words and language mean, it will be really tough to be able to talk about strategies and being profitable at all. If your approach is trying to memorize chart patterns, and when you think you see them on the chart, you put your hard earned money at risk on something you can't even prove is real, then you're making life way harder for yourself than you need to. Number two, learning proven data driven strategies and getting things set up properly ASAP is critical to learn long term success. Let's be clear, no professional traders use chart patterns, they are not real. So let's talk about what is a chart. A chart is a graphical representation of price data over time for any financial asset. It often includes various analytical patterns and indicators, right? So, all of what you see on a graph or a chart is literally just a graphical representation of what's going on in the order book. So, all of the real data is going into the order book, which is tracking every buy and every sale because the market is a marketplace. So let's talk about what is a candlestick. A candlestick is a type of price chart used in technical analysis that displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of a security for a specified period. Each candlestick represents a single time period, such as a day, an hour, or a minute, and it provides a visual representation of price movements. That is all a candlestick is. That is all a chart is. It's just a visual representation. So to say that you can look at a candlestick or a group of candlesticks and find a pattern that you're willing to risk your money in, no professional trader will ever do that. Okay. The anatomy of a candlestick is only telling you the high of that candlestick, the open of that candlestick, the low of that candlestick, and the close of that candlestick. That is all. Okay. So if you don't have a strategy that is based on math that you can actually test and prove, then you have nothing to stand on. And you for sure should not put your money at risk for it. That's not trading, that's gambling. And if you're afraid to or don't have the strategies to make profitable trades multiple times per day and generate cash, 6 or 7 figures will continue to remain a pipe dream. This doesn't have to be scary, and it isn't when you know how to do it the right way. Number three, there is not a chance in hell any of this success happens without the team we've assembled on day one. Not just because of our individual skill sets and expertise, but the support and camaraderie day in and day out riding the waves of trading. Surrounding yourself with the right people and environment is half the battle. With those lessons on the table, I want to cut to the chase. I could go on and on about my story and what I've done online and trading, but that doesn't help you. And that's not what you care about. If you want more information about what I've done online and get comfortable about how I can help you in your trading, go to dionpouncil.com. Now, with all of that said, let's get down to it. I'd like to make you a very direct offer today. An offer to an insane shortcut that is the culmination of the last 6 years of my life. 4 years of dedication, sweat, and triumph, taking traders from 0 to 6 and 7 figures. If this is something you'd like to do in your own trading and things aren't currently going the way you want, then I encourage you to listen to what I'm about to say very carefully. Here's how this will work if you decide to take me up on my offer today. First things first, you will get access to the vault, and then you and I will connect directly. We'll jump on a 1 hour coaching call to get everything moving. I typically charge $10,000 per hour for one-to-one consulting, and my clients are happy to pay me for it. Why? Because I've done what they want to do and can shortcut their path to success. Remember, I said foundation is everything. That's exactly what this is for. We'll break down everything you've got going on and make sure all the critical pieces of the puzzle are in place immediately. No wasting time or guessing. I'm a direct person. We may need to discuss some hard truths to get you on the right path, and they aren't easy to hear sometimes. But if you're okay with that, the hour we spend together has the potential to be the catalyst for big things for your trading and life. After the call and armed with clarity, lighting the path ahead, I'm going to do what nobody else online has the courage to do. I'm going to show you how to make the entire investment for this program pay for itself almost immediately. How? I'm going to plug you into two things. One, Trade Like the Pros course, and two, give you my fully automated trading algorithm to help you pass a prop firm evaluation for $25,000 to $300,000. These are two separate things I sell for $5,000 for the course and $500 a month for the algo. And they're like a nuclear bomb in the hands of the right person. There's no fluff, no unnecessary crap. Just straight up professional training and an automated trading algorithm you can implement right away to get funded. And start using other people's money to grow your wealth without risking any of your own money. Handing you these immediately after you jump in will do three things. One, get our relationship off on the right foot. Two, give you an immediate confidence boost. Three, get cash in the door, pay for this investment in full, and mean that everything else you make is 100% profit from then forward. And we're just getting started. This is where things come into their own, and I could sell this piece of this package alone for 3 to 4x the price. However, I believe in making things very simple and straightforward. It's one of the keys to being a consistently profitable trader, like I could teach you to do. I'm proud to offer you direct access to my 6 and 7 figure dream team. And yes, that does include me. There's 3 parts in total. First, my quantitative developer, Jay. This is the dude who works with me personally and develops my strategies into fully automated trading algorithms. I'm incredibly blessed to have him on my team, and you could be using our algos within an hour of joining the program. Side story. We did a little trading session on last Tuesday with the Trade Like the Pros family on a live stream, and they watched our new algo pull me in a cool $11,000 in 2 hours. Talk about an asset. Next, you got the private Discord community chat. This is where you get to not only connect with other like minded people, but also be able to ask questions and join the weekly coaching calls so you never feel alone in your journey. Last but hopefully not least is yours truly. I like to think of myself as an architect. I like building stuff that makes money and helps a bunch of people, plain and simple. The strategy, the course, the algos, the ecosystem that is going to generate you big profits and help you get your trading to the next level. This goes back to my days working at a hedge firm in LA. I worked with some big investors, like in the billions, who were really focused on growing their wealth daily. That same appetite and passion has followed me online. This approach has served me well in taking my own trading business from an idea in 2018 to getting licensed to running my own hedge fund today. It played a real hand in a winning number of opportunities and taking me around the world teaching trading. From Chicago to DC and Miami to Dubai to Costa Rica, from Cancun to the Philippines. And is a pivotal in tackling the game day in and day out as my team and I pursue the 10-figure milestone in our business, which is called Pouncil Capital. My team and I have been working side by side, day in and day out for the last 4 years, and are ready to link arms with you to help you crush your goals for trading in 2024 and beyond. Whatever those goals may be. But what does that mean exactly? For the next 3 months, we will come together 1 time per week for Zoom calls focused on the following trading core pillars. One, what are futures and how to trade them for daily profit? Two, learn professional trading strategies and how to get the computer to do 90% of the work for you. And three, how to trade with other people's money to grow your wealth. We host these calls and work with attendees to smash through any challenges they are facing in any particular area of the course or their trading. This keeps everything very focused and makes sure you have a place to get each week for whatever pops up in your trading. It's me and my 6 and 7 figure dream team ready to help you with your trading. Now, I fully appreciate there's a lot I just unloaded on you over the last few minutes, and I want to be crystal clear on exactly what I'm offering you today so you can make a quick, informed decision whether you're in or out on this one. I don't want you to go away and think about this for weeks or months. If you need to do that, this is probably not the program for you. This program, like trading itself, is for action takers. I like to work with decision makers, and you'll probably know already if this is for you or not. To quickly recap, here's what you're getting. One, a one-to-one coaching session with me personally for 1 hour to get the foundation set up in your trading and ready for big results. The real world value of this is $10,000. Number two, you're going to get immediate access to my Trade Like the Pros program. The real world value is $5,000. And three, You're going to get my fully automated trading algorithm that you can use today and pass the prop firm evaluation challenge of 25,000 up to $300,000 so you can generate cash to make this investment pay for itself quickly. That real world value is $6,000. Number 4, access to one live Zoom call per week for 3 months with myself and my seven-figure dream team. Real world value of $12,000. We could very easily sell this real world value for $34,000 as listed above, not fake internet land value. So let's think about this for a second. A top college or university is going to cost you $50,000 a year. A state college is going to cost you $25,000 a year. A city college is going to cost you $10,000 a year. And you still hope, wish, and pray that someone hires you and you can actually execute on what you said you could do on your resume. Now, in case I haven't proved it already, I want to make this a no-brainer decision for you. So first, the program started May 1st, 2024. And to celebrate going live and reward action takers, we discounted the program from $34,000 to $5,000. But I'm going to take the risk out of this for you completely and really put my money where my mouth is. I want to meet you at the table here if this feels like a good fit and you want to go ahead. I'm going to do that in two ways to make sure anybody who is serious has no reason to delay jumping into this today. One, my profits payment plan. You will not pay the full early access price of $5,000 when you jump in today. Instead, you can get started today for one-time payment of only $2,997 or 3 monthly payments of only $1,297, with your first payment being today, your second payment being 30 days from now, and your last payment being 30 days from your second payment. So you could join the Trade Like the Pros program for one payment of $2,997 or 3 payments of $1,297. And I want you to click the link right now below to join the program. The offer I have laid out above is valid strictly for the next 9 people only. Then the price will go up. Now, because I'm making this offer so ridiculous, a couple of rules I need to get on the table. One, on my profits payment plan, we're operating on an honesty system. I don't possess any fancy tech gear to garnish your accounts. I give you full access to the program and the algos as soon as you pay. So I'm trusting you that if you choose the 3-month payment plan today, that you complete your next 2 payments. Next, on my automated algo, we offer this to completely eliminate the risk for you, but you have to take the course and learn what is actually going on. You can't disappear for months, do nothing, and then come back and say, hey, I want your help. You must show up and do the work. That's only fair, right? Here's the path I see for you. Our goal is to get you into the program ASAP. Get your call with me booked in and knocked out as soon as possible to get the foundation set up. Then rolling out the Trade Like the Pros strategies with the goal of getting funded within the first 2 weeks and your first payout from trading within 30 days of being funded. If it takes longer and some more tweaking and testing is needed, the team is here for you. This means everything is covered and you aren't stressed out about the investment since it's already paid for itself. Then we can focus on working together each week over the next 3 months on refining your skills and making your trading consistently profitable. When it's all said and done, I'm sure you'll be happy to come back to me when you crack that first $100,000 from your trading profits. So that's my offer to you in a nutshell. If you're ready to stop doing this alone and want to grab everything I have laid out above, if this is what you've been looking for and you want to get started, you can join the Trade Like the Pros for one payment of $2,997 or 3 payments of $1,297. You could click the link right now below to join the program. Once you sign up, I'll get you immediate access to the calendar to book your one-on-one call with me. You'll get access to the Trade Like the Pros program immediately, and your seat is locked in for the weekly group coaching call. After these first 9 people watching this that sign up, the program will not be $2,997 again. It's going to go back up to the $5,000 for the course, and the algo package will be $500 a month. So if you're watching right now and you're ready to join, I encourage you to click the link below to enroll now, and you'll be able to get our special price of $2,997 for 1 payment, or 3 payments of $1,297, and you can get started today. So thanks. I look forward to seeing you in the Trade Like the Pros family, and I'll see you soon.